Um, so now it's getting into non 3D printed. So I'm going to go a little bit faster, Jenny, if it's okay. Slow me down, guys, if you need. But our product is differentiated really well. Mainly, the biggest thing is patient specificity. These other competitors are not, and so they would use the product, but it would not, allow you to move the healthy tissue away as needed. Um, our technology is based on a platform for addressing oral mucositis. And before, during, and after is our focus. The first product, the bottom left image, is the one that is already launched. We have FDA cleared the product. It's being sold. The top right is the one that we're working on now, submitting FDA for clearance this year. And that's a cryotherapy device where we're going to have the same approach of taking an optical scan and providing cooling channels inside the stent so that the inside of the mouth can be cooled. And then the bottom right is a drug delivery device. And then as I was listening to Josh, we have another idea where we also want to do some nerve stimulation inside the mouth, for which we may need, some electrical circuitry inside. A lot of different applications.